What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well out there. Today we are going to take a look at how much it costs for the St. Catherine area. The St. Catherine area, just if you first time on the channel or you're catching a glimpse, is just south of Bradford and to the east of the Hawkins area, north of the Turnpike, right off of Morse Boulevard. It's the newest area that they're building out right now, across the street from Hawkins. Hawkins is actually, they're still working on, obviously, along with Bradford and Chitty Chatty, but this is the new area that they're like really snapping houses together and getting them done. Alright, so we're going to be looking at two different sections in St. Catherine. This one is to the west of the Ezell Rec Center. This bumps right up along Morse Boulevard. And you have St. Catherine on this side, Morse Boulevard, and then Hawkins on the opposite side. We're going to zoom in here and I'll show you the high and the low in this area. So you have this house here on the corner, it's $427,259, and then you have this house for $242,434. The lower end being the 3-bedroom, 1-bath, or 2-bath. Sorry, the lower end is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and the upper end is 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So that is the low and the high in this particular section right here. Like I said, this is the closest area to Hawkins. Also, you see the entrance to Bradford right there, and then Bradford is right straight in front of us. I would assume that this area is going to be priced a little bit different because of the easy access to Bradford and then Chitty Chatty, the Chitty Chatty Bridge, and those access points there, along with the fact that you're going to get the Ezell Rec Center there and the Aviary Rec Centers right across Morse Boulevard by Hawkins. So there's a lot of different access there. Alright, this is the second area that they are still working on right here. Now this area is right across the pond from the Ezell Rec Center and the Clifton Grove putting course. None of this is listed yet though. On the village's website, none of these houses are listed, so I'm assuming not for sale unless you talk to a village's sales agent to get pricing, but according to their website, nothing in there is open. We're going to move to the back side, right up along the Chitty Chatty Preserve, and this is actually St. Catherine Boulevard that splits these two, I believe. St. Catherine Boulevard or St. Catherine Way, one or the other. It's actually St. Catherine's Circle. So this northern area here, this is the top end, $549,000, just a little bit above actually. And then you have this one here, $271,000, just a little bit above that. That's the top end, and the low end in this area. The top end, of course, is facing the preserve, and it has that nice little water behind it that you can take a look at. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and then the lower end is again the 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So this area is still being developed. I didn't see any villa areas yet in St. Catherine that are listed anyway. You can leave a comment down below if you do know of those sections, but I have not seen them listed yet.